Hello guys, I am Alex. Welcome to i3 Automation's PLC training. So today you're gonna learn how can you migrate MicroLogix PLC's family to Micro 800, the new family for Rock Automation. So let's get started.
Can you hear me?
So the first thing that we're gonna do here today gonna be, let's open it up here, the IAB software. It's a free software from Rock Automation. So IAB, and what we're gonna do here right now gonna be, let's create the new project. So let's create a new project, and here we need first thing that we need to do here is, let's put the name here, workspace name. So I'm gonna put like MicroLogix to Micro 800. So this is the name that I'm gonna do, and the next step here is gonna be choose MicroLogix migration wizard. So let's click here, okay. I'm gonna replace, yes. So add chassis here. So the name we're gonna do here is MicroLogix 1100, because this is the PLC that I had here on my office right now. So we have, like, I have the MicroLogix 1100. I'm gonna click OK here, and after that what I'm gonna do here is, let's choose your, let's say if you have the MicroLogix 1000, you need to click here. If you have, like my case, I have 1100, or if you have 1200, or if you have 1500, you need to click here in order to do something special here. But right now, what I'm gonna do here is replace with Micro 820 or 850 here. So I'm gonna click over here 1100, because this is the PLC that I have here on my office right now. So right now you can choose the controller, or what is the part number for the CPU that you have. In my case, I have this CPU here, L16BWA. So I go and click over here. If you have like the input or output card here, the expansion card, so you need click here. In my case, I have the digital here, or if you have the analog. So I have one analog here, so I'm gonna click over here, 1762 IF4. So I'm gonna click over here, and when you click here, here says, hey, Micro 850 does not support 2085 expansion modules. Do you want to migrate to Micro 850 in order to add the 2085 expansion module? Yes, I will do that. And here we go. So we have the Micro 850 right now here, and this is the analog card that, if you have the same, in my case I have like the expansion card here, one analog expansion input expansion model here. So automatic, you saw here that was migrated to the Micro 850 family PLCs. So when you're done, so what you need to do here is click here OK, and after that you need generate hardware here. So I'm gonna click generate hardware, and let's see. Next step right now here is, let's go to the hardware here, and on hardware you can see your module here, your migrated module. So you can zoom in and zoom out. So now you can see here the actual Micro 850. So, and what we're gonna do right now here is, to make this fun, is let's create a report here. So we're gonna click over here, create a report, yes, and the next step, yes. And here you need choose the whatever you want to do here. So let's put here, I'm gonna put on my desktop here, I'm gonna save, and yes, and okay. So I'm gonna generate like the Word document report for you. No, I'm gonna click here no, and after that I'm gonna show up here the message that, oh, do you want to open your report that you just generated right now? Yes, I will do this. So click here in yes. So this is the question is, do you want to open with your word processing application? Yes, I want to. So I'm gonna put it over here and click no. So here is the document that we just created right now. So this is pretty much the overview about your system, or the overview of project MicroLogic Micro 800. So here, this gonna tell you what is the features that you gonna have on Micro 800 system. So this is just overview about all the controllers that you have on this family here, and this is pretty much good because you have all the info about that, and you can create a report, and after that you're gonna see the part number that you can see here that you need in order to migrate to micro 800 family. So all the details that you need are here. So I hope you enjoy a lot, and don't forget, so please subscribe on our channel. Every single day or every single week we have new videos for you, and after that give you your thumbs up on our video here, and don't forget to get access on the best platform for industrial automation PLC training, Industry 4.0. So I see you at the next video. Bye.